never going to forget mine. It was a Ferrari 348, and it was a salty, evil gentleman thing. The handling was appalling. Masses of understeer that suddenly snapped into oversteer and threatened to send you off the road with the slightest provocation. The transmission was awful. You had to warm it up before you could even get the thing into second gear. Oh, and it was painfully slow too. I can remember Ferrari boss Luca de Montezemolo telling me about the time his 348 had been seen off the light by a guy driving a Golf GTI. Not long after that happened, de Montezemolo got the #1 job at Ferrari, and his first priority was to set in train a development process that ultimately would end with this car, the Ferrari 458 Italia. Well, we've tested the Ferrari 458 many times, but it's worth recapping what a great car this is. I mean, this is a Ferrari that's more than sex appeal and